Okay, let's make an impact Friday. Let's finish off the week strong. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, 5 minutes. Get down. Okay, so we're gonna start by doing a side step. Side step. All right, now I call it Make an Impact Friday because it's gonna be a lot of high intensity impact cardio moves. So this is level 1. Obviously, I'm gonna give options for non-impact as well, but this is the ideal movement here. Shuffle, sink into it each side. Good. Shuffle, shift the weight. Okay? Shuffle, shift the weight. Shift the weight. Shift the weight. Good. Just a little shuffle. Again, you don't have to do the jumping variation. Okay? You could do it the step variation. Just like that. We're getting our heart rates up. It's called Make an Impact Friday for a reason. All right. Just about a minute in now. Now let's switch it up. We're going to be going into a jog in place. A jog in place. Okay, now, again, if this is challenging for you, you could do a march. Knees up. Knees up. But ideally, this is where you should be, if you're able. Okay. Drive those knees up high as you can. Light on your feet. This is the perfect weather. Happy November, everybody. I can't believe it's November already. Drive those knees up. Try to get a little higher. Little by little. Good. Now, I'm going to switch to the other side, butt kickers. You should feel the stretch in your quads. Just like that. Now again, you could always do the lower impact variation. Okay. Oops. The wind is too strong. That's okay. We're good, we're good. Let's keep going. The show must go on. Let's see if I can move this. Stabilize. There we go. All right, let's see. How we doing here? Do the butt kicks. Okay, good. We're about halfway through the workout. Kick the butt. Kick the butt. Ideally, you'll be on a more level surface than I am. This is kind of a sloped hill surface. Obviously, I didn't do my leaves yet either. Let me make sure the framing's still good. Keep it going, guys. Oh yeah, no, I gotta fix this. Whoop. There we go. And Toby's joining us today. Everybody say hi to Toby. Okay, there we go. That should be better, hopefully. Good. Good. Now, for the rest of the workout, we're going to be doing a big reach to the sky, squat down, touch in between your feet. Okay? This is the lower impact variation. You want to ideally be a little more lighter on your feet, though. A little hop at the top. Okay? Hop at the top. And it's ideally both hands. I'm trying not to make too much noise in my microphone here. And try to put it down for the rest of the workout. Kind of like a frog jump, like a squat and a jump. Woo. Doesn't take long to feel this. We got a minute left. Now again, you could also do the low impact. Keep it going though. Don't stop moving. Finish strong. Whew. Legs are burning. Leaves keep covering. I didn't get around to my leaves yet. It's on my list though. Whew, I'm out of shape, guys. Keep going. Oh, shake it off. Oh, you need to switch. Come on, get it, go, go. If you need to switch, you may do so. Just try to keep moving. Whew. I guess I've been slacking, guys. I took a few days off. and it's been hard to get back into it after my half marathon. Finish strong. Ugh. All right. Great job, guys. You, just by showing up today, you've made a significant impact on your health. Make sure you like if this helps you today. Subscribe for more simple, sustainable 5-minute workouts in my 5 and 15 series. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Click the link below for I like workouts if you're new to the channel and if you're new to exercising in general. This playlist will help you out. Have a great day. If you want to see a good workout to pair, you could click right here, or you could click the playlist right here.